We like to believe we invented desire, that curiosity, pleasure, and escape belong only to the human mind. But the truth is older, wilder somewhere between instinct and imagination. Animals too. Get high. In the heart of the Amazon, the jaguar seeks not prey, but perception. It bites into Banisteriopsis caiapi, the vine of souls. The same used by shamans in sacred rituals. Eyes glaze, muscles soften. For a moment, the predator becomes the prophet. The tribes say it sees beyond the jungle. In the open sea, dolphins pass a pufferfish like a joint, not in hunger, but in exploration. The fish releases a tiny dose of neurotoxin, enough to cloud their senses, not kill. They float in trance, staring at their reflections, as if meeting themselves for the first time. Far north, under endless snow, reindeer search for the forbidden red caps, Amanita muscaria. The fly agaric, toxic, hallucinogenic, divine. They dance, stagger, and run in wild circles. Shamans watched and learned. The myth of flying reindeer and Santa's red suit may have begun with a mushroom dream. Even giants fall for intoxication. The African elephant feasts on fermented marula fruit. Alcohol seeps through their veins, and the forest becomes a carnival. They wobble, trumpet, and rest under the stars, proof that even wisdom can be woozy. In the poppy fields of India, addiction has wings. Parrots, clever, relentless, swoop down at dawn to steal raw opium. They slice open the pods with surgical precision and drink the milky narcotic like a forbidden nectar. Soon they return again. And again. Their eyes glazed, their flight unstable, their instincts hijacked. Farmers chase, shout, throw stones, but nothing stops them. The parrots are hooked. They hide in trees, trembling, waiting for the next bloom. Nature never created this drug, yet nature fell for it. In every corner of the planet, life experiments with consciousness. Not by accident, but by desire. A search for altered awareness, to feel, to forget, to transcend. Maybe addiction isn't a weakness. Maybe it's a memory of our shared instinct. If this story opened your mind, don't just scroll past. Like, comment, and share the wonder. Subscribe to the Instinct Project, where every creature hides a piece of us.